So today we're making Christmas inspired cookies. This is a candy cane inspired cookie. So yummy, so delicious. Welcome to the sunshine side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So this is another day of the Vlogmas. So we've been uploading the video from the 1st of December to the 25th, and this recipe has been Christmas inspired and so yummy. Like I said, today is all about making Christmas inspired cookies. So what I'm saving is all-purpose flour. The next thing I'm adding is some corn flour. So the reason why I'm adding corn flour is to make our candy cane to have that firm texture and also to retain its shape and also to give it that crispy feel. So the next thing we're adding is some icing sugar. This is to give our cookies that soft film. I love this cookies a lot because it has a whole lot of texture, from crispy to chewy to soft. So all the texture that you want for a nice cookies, this has it. So mix this together. So the next thing you want to add is some firm butter, like cold butter. You want to add this into your dry ingredients. I have butter and margarine, so you can use margarine if you don't have butter, or you can just go with butter. They're both fine. So rub the butter into the dry ingredients to create a crumble-like texture. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, it's good to have you here. Do click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new videos. Like this is Vlogmas and I'm uploading from the 1st of December to the 25th, so you don't want to miss out of this recipe. So into these I added egg white and some vanilla extra. So mix this together until you have like a doughy texture. So the next thing you want to do is to use your hands. This is so easy to make. Like you just want to knead it for just 2 minutes, just a minute or two. It doesn't take time, so you don't need any instruments to knead it. Just your hands and just knead it for just a minute or two. Form this into a perfect round ball, and the next thing you want to do is to place it in the refrigerator. The reason why we're placing it in the refrigerator is to enhance the flavor and also to give it that soft feel. I tell you, this cookie has a lot of texture and it's crispy, chewy, and soft, so yummy. So after that, bring out from the refrigerator, just place in the refrigerator for just 10 minutes and then divide into 4 parts. So the next thing you want to do is to turn each part to a log. Yes, just watch the video and see what I'm talking of. Just press it together and form into a log. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit on the like button. Comment below. I would love to hear from you. And you can share this delicious inspired cooking recipe by clicking on the share button. To this other cookie dough, we are adding red food color. So mix this together until you have your desired color. So you can decide to color this into whatever color you want. If you don't like the red, you can go with the green. It's also Christmas. Or if you don't even like red food color, or you don't even have red food color, you can add cocoa powder to this. Yes, the other one I make, I'm going to show you the result towards the end of this video. I made with cocoa powder. So just add cocoa powder to one of the dough so that you can have different colors to it, and just mix together like you're seeing here in this video, and it will have that brown color, and that's it. Form into a round ball and place in the refrigerator for just 2 to 5 minutes in order for it to firm up. After 2 to 5 minutes in the refrigerator, just bring it out and form into a log. So the next thing you want to do is to divide it into tiny pieces, just like this. Divide it into tiny pieces. This is what we're going to use to roll out our candy cane cookies or our Christmas inspired cookies. So you do the same to the other cookies that are with no color. I love how the red is popping. You can see it's almost the same shade with the cap on the screen. The red is almost the same shade. I love it so much. You can just looking at it alone, you know that it screams Christmas. So the next thing you want to do is just to roll this into a long strand or log. So that's what you want to do. So the red one too. So just roll it out into a log or strand. So the next thing you want to do is to twist this together, or just braid it, whatever word you can use to describe this. So that's what we're going to do. This is so easy to make. I promise you, it is super easy to make. The reason why I love this cookie dough is because of how it is. It's soft, it's chewy, it's crisp, it's so lovely. You need to enjoy it. I guarantee you that when you bake it, it's going to see that it's just going to firm up. Like now, it looks very soft, but when you bake it, it firms up. And when you chew on it, oh my god, it is amazing. This can actually be fun to make with children. So you can make this with your children, you can make it with your niece, your nephew. You can even make it on your own, and it is so fun. It's so therapeutic. Promise you it is. It's very easy to make. So don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, comment below. I would love to hear from you. You can share this delicious recipe by just clicking on the share button, and please turn on your notifications so you can get notified when I drop new videos. I'll still be uploading tomorrow, so you don't want to miss out on this video or the videos I'll be uploading during the week coming. So do the same thing to the remaining dough, and there you have it. Bake this in a preheated oven for just 15 minutes. We are baking at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see it so crispy, so crunchy, and so delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.